This is the unboxing of the wired earphones from Pioneer SE-C3T. The reason I got these earphones is because my old ones suddenly broke, since the left earphone doesn't play any sound anymore, so it was only sound from one earphone. And also every time I used it, the voice control of the phone would randomly pop up. So this earphone cost 150,000 rupiah, which is the equivalent of 10 euros. This is a wired earphone which has a built-in microphone for using with your mobile phone. Also includes in-ear adapters for different size. So depending on your ear, you can adjust the type of ear pads which plug on the earphones. It has a 1.2 meter cable, and the plug is the standard 3.5 millimeter plug. These are the cheapest earphones with 3.5 millimeter jack that I could find, yet they seem to be decent quality. On the back there's written it has clear and tight sound. The housing is even out of aluminium, and the earphone tips are included in the size extra small, small, medium and large. So you get a complete earphone package for about 10 euros. However, this was reduced in price. The normal price is, I believe, around 14 or 15 euros, but these are the old version. I think it's from 2017, so maybe that's why they sell it for cheaper, because there's or there will be a new version which will soon come out. And the box is out of paper, so that's a good thing, so you don't have to break out the plastic casing. This only has a plastic see-through window on the carton box, so that you can see the earphones and the microphone which is built into the cable. And you open it from the top, and there are just small scotch tape which hold it together. So the back is actually the top, so you slide it open like that. Inside there's a booklet, the manual instructions in multiple languages, and also a quick startup guide. So there's a button on the cable for answering calls, and the built-in microphone hole. So let's take out the earphone from the case. They're really inside the case, so they don't fall out. Wow, I'm surprised. The main body of the earphone is really made out of aluminium. It's not plastic. Only plastic is the bottom part over here, which connects with the cable. There's a small writing for left and right, but the earphones themselves are made out of aluminium. For this price is very surprising. I believe the ear tips which are installed at the moment are the medium sized one, and here in the packaging there are the large one and the small one and the extra small ones. The cable is 1.2 meters long. Is this 30 degrees maybe? And both earphone cables are of the same length, the same like with the Apple earpods. I'm surprised that the quality seems quite good for the price. Let's check out the sound. The sound quality from these earphones is surprisingly good, especially if you use the correct size ear tips of the earphones, so that you will have a full sound output without any leakage. So although these have no active noise cancelling feature, the in-ear ear tips isolates well from the outside environment. So make sure you try the different sizes of the included ear tips to see which ear tip fits your ear the best, because it makes a big difference on the sound quality that you will get from these earphones.